Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make GFX for Roblox on mobile using Nomad Sculpt. First, ensure you have the Roblox app and Nomad Sculpt installed on your mobile device. We'll begin by preparing your Roblox character, which involves a few simple steps to get it ready for export. Then, I'll guide you through importing your character into Nomad Sculpt, covering the initial setup and essential navigation techniques. This foundational knowledge is crucial for starting your GFX journey effectively. Now, let's prepare your Roblox character. You'll need to use a specific method to export your character model, often involving a plugin or a specific game environment that allows model extraction. Once you have your character file, open Nomad Sculpt and import it. Pay close attention to the file format, typically an OBJ or FBX. After importing, you might need to adjust its size and orientation to fit the scene properly, ensuring it's centered and at a workable scale. With your character imported, it's time for the creative part, sculpting and posing. Nomad Sculpt offers a robust set of tools. You can use the Move tool to adjust limbs and create dynamic poses. Experiment with brushes like Smooth and Inflate to refine shapes and add subtle details. Remember to work in layers if possible, allowing for non-destructive edits. Aim for a pose that tells a story or highlights your character's personality, making your GFX truly stand out. Finally, let's bring your GFX to life with lighting and materials. Good lighting is key to a professional look. Consider using three-point lighting for depth and drama. Adjust material properties like roughness and metallic values to make surfaces look realistic. Once satisfied, navigate to the render settings. Choose your desired resolution, typically around 1920 by 1080 pixels for high definition, and render your masterpiece. You're now ready to share your amazing Roblox GFX.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.